Everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel and just starting to follow along, I am doing a Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio, trying to grow up to $100,000, doing small investments down the way. This is update number 18, and we are midweek here. It is Wednesday when I'm doing this. This has been a long weekend, so markets were closed on Monday. Weeks hasn't been great. Let's just jump right into the portfolio. We haven't done any purchases, but we'll do a midweek update to see how things are going. I will be doing the monthly purchase probably towards the end of the week. Just have to wait for some money to clear into the account. So let's just get right into the portfolio. Okay, here we are. This is our TFSA trade portfolio. Our current balance is $3,086.36. You may see this fluctuate a little bit, obviously, because the markets are still open as I'm filming this. As of right now for the month, we are down 1.66% in the past month. But if we go to our all-time, we'll do this right now. We are up 2.5% past 3 months, and we've been going for just over 3 months now. So we are up 2.11% on the year, which will be the same 2.1 as all-time. So we're still up. The markets, as you'll see as we go through each of the holdings, we are down a little bit today. It's kind of, I wanted to do this kind of midweek just because what I've learned about doing my own investment portfolio is to be patient. You're not going to get gains every single day on your account, and it's nice to stick with your plan, invest in the stocks that I found that you are, that you want to invest in, and don't make any jumping rash decisions if you see something go down. Our long-term plan for this is to grow it slowly, so we just have to let things kind of ride, and that's what we are doing today. We're not gonna sell anything at all. So we are sitting BEP.UN. This is our Brookfield Renewable Partners. We are right now still up on this one. We're up 643, 2.74%. So our total value right now 241.13 on that. Cineplex has not been doing well. We were up. If you've been following on the channel, we've been up on Cineplex, up about 20%, 21% I think was the maximum. In hindsight's always 20/20. I probably should have just taken my money and ran, but we are down, and of course it's down to about $12.03 as I'm filming this. Altogether we are down 8.39%. Still not terrible. I think this is a long-term good investment to get into, and I think with the market and with the cinemas opening back up, hopefully people will start to be going to movies more. That's the plan, and we're going to stick with that with Cineplex. Greenlane Renewables, this is our renewable long-term, again, equity that we're doing here, and we have current value 350.76. We are down, total return 2.79%. That's not too bad on this one. We're still doing okay. We'll keep an eye on that one. We're going to keep adding to that position because I think the long-term investment in renewable energy is going to be quite good. REI.UN, this is our RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. This one is doing well. Our current value, $444.10. We are down a little bit today. They're all going to be down today, as you're going to see, but we're up 8.56%, so not too shabby with that one. We're going to still see our regular dividends come in every month from RioCan, so we are up $35. Not too bad on that. RNW, this is our renewable energy investment, TransAlta Renewables. This one is doing quite well, actually. This one is again down today 1%, but we are up right now at 8.31%. A total value on there is $375.70, and we have 17 shares of TransAlta Renewables. I'm going to keep adding to this one as I put the next deposit in as well, because I think in the long term this is going to be a good investment, but also give us our nice regular dividends for that one. Solar Alliance Energy, this is another, as you can see from the portfolio, lots of renewable energy. This one again has not been doing well. We don't have a lot invested in this, but we are down 18.07%. Although this one is up a little bit to 2.22% today. This one's just kind of more of a fun one to kind of watch and see what happens. Not putting a big chunk of investments on there. We just have a total value right now of $69. And Telus, we have 9 shares of that. 252.59 is the current balance. This one is also up 1.87%. Not too bad. We're about 464. We're up almost $5. We're going to have our regular dividends coming from Telus as well, and we're going to keep adding to this position as well. And TD, this was our fractional share that I purchased. If you are new to Wealthsimple, they've just released fractional shares for certain limited number of stocks. I think there's 10 that you can buy with fractional shares. I could be wrong with that. They might have, they're probably going to be slowly adding more, but we have a portion, fractional share, 0.25% of TD Bank. and our total value there is $20.91, and we are down 11 cents with that fractional share. And the last but not least, VDY. This is our Canadian high dividend yield. This is our ETF. This is the majority of our investment go into this VDY, so we can get a bit of diversification in different stocks. And this one is up actually 1.93%, so that's good. It kind of stays, it's not going to jump crazy, but our total value there is $992.50 with 25 shares. So total return 18.84, not too shabby, and we are going to see the regular dividends from that. I think the one from VDY is coming mid-month. We should see some more dividends to start to show up. So we'll go back to the grand total there, up all time. That's what I like to look at, 2.23%, and our current value, let's just refresh it, see where we're at, $3,090.14. Thanks for watching the midweek update. If you aren't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. It is free. You can follow along. I'll do regular updates on the channel with the TFSA portfolio. We're doing small deposits along the way to try and build up to $100,000. We'll do another update on the weekend. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.